Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the T2 mobile SIM card, and I've got to say, this is a fantastic option if you're looking for unlimited data and tethering in Russia. Let me break down what you're getting here. For just 300 rubles per month, you get 1,000 minutes of calls, 200 text messages, and here's the kicker, unlimited internet with unlimited tethering. That means you can share your connection with other devices without worrying about data caps. The SIM card works across all of Russia, so whether you're in Moscow, St. Petersburg, or remote areas, you've got coverage. Plus, your first month is already paid, so you can start using it immediately with zero activation hassle. The best part? No hidden fees, no throttling on your unlimited data. This is perfect if you're a heavy data user, streaming content, working remotely, or just need reliable mobile connectivity. The value proposition here is seriously impressive. Unlimited everything for less than $5 a month. If you're in Russia or planning to travel there, this T2 SIM card is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews.